All right, welcome to Fusion and making a basic end table. So we're going to start off with the basic sketch of a leg. So we start at the bottom here, and I'm just going to draw, doesn't really matter where I draw it, I'm going to draw 1.5 by 1.5 square, and I'm going to zoom into here so you can see it better. Okay, and why 1.5 by 1.5? Because by the time that you actually um, joint to face side, face edge, plane it down, you're going to get about 1.5. You might get 1 3/4. It's up to you. Okay, and then I'm just going to hit finish, and I have my basic. Now I'm going to extrude it. So we'll extrude, and this time we're going to, how far? I don't know, let's say 18 inches. Doesn't matter, we can change all this stuff later on, right? And of course I messed up because when you extrude, you have to do what? Always. I go 18, and over here we have to go new component. Make sure you do new component, okay? And click on OK. Now, see an anchor here. We want to get rid of this anchor. That's anchoring it to the parent. So I'm going to right mouse click, and I'm going to say unground from parent, meaning it can free float everywhere. And this will cause problems if you don't do this right now. Okay, now we're going to do a copy. So I'm going to right mouse click on here. I'm going to copy the leg. Right mouse click again, hit paste. And I'm not pasting new, I'm just pasting because whatever I do to one leg, I'll be able to do to the other later on. And I'm going to put these ones for now, I don't know, 13 inches apart. Okay, there's my first two legs. Now I'm going to create the rail that goes in between. So to do the rail, new sketch. Okay, where am I going to do it on? I'm going to do it on a plane like this. And I'm going to draw a rail in between here. Let's go 10 inches by 3 inches. Okay, there we go. Finish sketch. And once again, as usual, we go extrude. And we're going to extrude it 3/4 of an inch because once you join to face side, face edge, and plane it, you get about 3/4. And again, over here, make sure new component. And click on OK. Now let's join them. Joint. Grab the first leg here, that one there, flip around, grab. I'm going to center it again. You don't have to. You can have it flush to one side. Click OK. And then over here, once again, let's joint. And that one, and back this way, and joint. Oh, I goofed up, so hit escape. One more time, joint that one there, and this here. And click on OK. All right, so now I have my three components. I could label them over here by right mouse clicking and saying, rename it and go left leg, right? You can name it whatever you want. Sometimes you can call it like leg one, okay? And then over here, this one here would be leg two, right? Now you're going to notice that it says leg one and then it copies it, right? Because that is the same leg as that, identical copy, okay? And this, we can just call this one, right mouse click, rename it as rail, okay? And rail. Okay, so we're going to stop here. We've started off with part of our table, and we're going to continue on in tutorial number 2.